How to get a woman to chase you. The secret to getting a woman to chase you is not so complex, and you can learn it by developing and practicing some new characters. To start with, women feel intense attraction to confidence and personality. There are different qualities that will cause a woman to chase a man, in the hope of having sex with him, or securing him into a committed relationship. But since a lot of guys are ever pursuing them, if you play your cards right, you'll end up with her without a sweat. Here are the tips to getting her to chase you. Number 1. Be confident. If a guy is confident, he is going to be attractive to any woman. She will then begin to look for any positive qualities about him. One thing about confidence is that you'll always have something to talk about. Girls will want to spend more time with you, and this will give you more time to talk to them. But since all girls are attracted to alpha males, you'll need to make a few changes about your personality. To improve your confidence, upgrade your regular grooming habits and include workout into your daily schedule. You'll be amazed by how girls won't hesitate to give you a second look. Girls hate nervous, self-doubting and emotionally unsecured guys. Number 2. Have friends. Girls prefer men who can keep a group of real friends, because it usually means that the guy is likable and feels nice to stick around. When interacting with men, women can instinctively detect which of the men are weaker mentally and emotionally than others. Mentally strong men keep friends around them because they have a lot going on around them. Always keep your profiles updated with photos of you and your friends having that good time, and not the selfies. Leave that to the ladies. Number 3. Be social in the public. When you are uncomfortable or awkward in social situations, then you are definitely not going to be able to make a good impression on a woman, because you display a lack of social intelligence, which naturally makes you unattractive to girls. Social intelligence is an important survival trait, and most girls are instinctively turned off by guys who can't get along with others. 4. Don't act needy. One thing that turns off every girl is a man who is always texting or calling her. If you keep chasing her, then there is no reason for her to chase you. To get her chasing you, first, be attractive to her by displaying characters we've mentioned up here, then keep off and she will find you. Avoid periodic texts, like she expects your text every night at 8 p.m. It will get boring. Being so predictable will turn her off. Don't do that, text her only when you need to. And skip a day or two after a conversation before getting back to her. In fact, I usually choose to stay away after my best conversation with a girl. This will give her a chance to look for you and you won't look needy. Girls love space. Number 5. Let her know your ambitions. Girls like it that their potential mate is going places in life. If a guy has no direction in his life, and is not working towards creating a better life for himself in future, a woman usually won't waste her time on him, and she definitely won't have reasons to chase him either. It doesn't matter whether you have already achieved part of your goals, but she still wants to know that you have some big goals and ambitions in life and that you are on your way to achieving them. Share with us your preferable methods of dealing with your self-confidence.